guys, it's Grace here. I'm back with another wedding vlog, and today I want to talk about wedding registry essentials. So many of you know I got married a couple months ago, and one of the first things I did after getting engaged was I built my wedding registry. It was a really fun experience and process because at the same time we were moving into a new home, and so I built the registry with things that I just wanted to fill my new house with. For so long I had like single girl furniture and single girl kitchen appliances. My husband also had his bachelor stuff, so we decided to kind of throw everything out and start fresh in our new life together. So it was a particularly fun process. I was very much in the mindset of nesting, and I love some of the pieces, all of the pieces that I got on my registry. We ended up going with Zola for our registry. I actually had a secondary registry through Zola, and the reason for that was because they had a couple pieces that were exclusive to them that I really wanted. So we ended up going with both. I mean, no one says that you have to have just one registry, right? I know that Amazon also has a great platform, so does Crate & Barrel and Williams-Sonoma. I personally really like Zola because they had such a vast, wide selection. They made the process really easy. Another great thing about Zola is they actually have a browser extension. So if you find something that's not available on their site that you want, you can actually pin it so that using the extension and it ends up flowing into your registry. So that was really cool. Also, another great thing about Zola is they really streamline the process for cash funds or honeymoon funds, which is really cool. I mean, who doesn't like receiving cash as a wedding gift? And so I highly, highly recommend. All right, so let's get into today's video. I want to talk about the 5 things that I put on my registry that I absolutely do not regret, and I think that you should consider adding to. Okay, so first things first, I think everyone needs a Dutch oven on their registry. This one is by Le Creuset. A ton of other brands make them, so you don't have to go with that brand, but Le Creuset is probably the most iconic. And check it out. It's so heavy duty and it's enamel coated cast iron. So these things are built to last. You can cook so much in them. I use mine all the time, and I know that I will for the next 20-30 years, and it's the kind of piece that your kids will probably try to steal when they go off to college. Highly recommend everyone add one to your registry. I will say they are kind of more on the expensive side, and so it is a bigger ticket item on your registry, but if any of your generous friends want to hook you up, this is the way to go. All right, number 2. A good old charcuterie board. If you're anything like me and you love entertaining, everybody needs one of these in their kitchen. So this one is by Ed to Home. It's actually one of the pieces that I couldn't find on Zola that I knew that I wanted, and so I found it on another website called KylieNeCoastal.com. Shout out to my girlfriend Meg, who's the founder there. And I ended up using the browser extension to pin it to my registry, and I just love it. It's the perfect size for entertaining a small group. You can do cheese, prosciutto, charcuterie, fruit, whatever you want. It's great for serving and entertaining. If you can see behind me there, I also have the larger version, which is great for when you're entertaining larger crowds, but I probably get more mileage out of the smaller one. All right, this next one is a bit of an atypical wedding gift, but just roll with it for a second because I love it and it's one of my favorite gifts that I got. And it is this stunning faux olive tree that's 7 feet tall and it looks super real. So I don't know about you guys, but it's really hard for me to keep live plants alive in my house, and so this is such a great alternative, and it makes a huge statement when you walk into the house. Nobody knows that it's fake, and I am obsessed with it. All right, guys, next up, let's talk about bedding. There is no better feeling than coming home after a long day at work and sinking into your marshmallow cloud-like of a bed, and no one does bedding better than Parachute Home. I am obsessed with their duvet covers. I actually registered for a couple of them and I alternate between them. And I love them because they're so soft, airy, and cozy and cloud-like, and it just creates a really serene environment in the bedroom. I highly recommend you add them to your registry immediately. Okay, and finally, the 5th thing you must add to your registry is bath towels. No, they're not even towels. They're called bath sheets by Snow. I don't know if you guys have seen these before, but they're like twice the size of your standard bath towel, and they're made of like this fluffy, soft terry that has almost like a hotel-like luxury feel to it at home. There's no better feeling than stepping out of your shower and enveloping yourself in Snow's bath sheets. So I highly recommend you add a couple of those to your registry. All right, that's all guys. Thanks for watching, and let us know in the comments down below which registry essentials that you can't live without, and share any feedback about this video or other videos that you'd like to see in the future. Thanks.